Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to analyze gold with the US Inflation Report CPI data report in this week and FOMC meeting. So, do you want to make good profit from the gold trading? My Telegram link is below. You can join with and make massive profit. So, I'm in a daily chart gold. You can see this white color line. This is the strong support area in gold now, 2300 level. So price can be pushed to the upside or downside, break this support level. That is the two option. This is the two options. So breakout to downside or push to upside. This is the main thing is the US CPI data report, so price can be where to go. So let's see the 12th June CPI data report. Yearly report is the 3.4%, and the Fed American Central Bank forecast to the 3.4% also. So Fed not forecast to increase or drop CPI data report, and the 3.4% is the forecast one. So a monthly CPI data report is the 0.3% and a drop forecast to 0.1%. So I have a two analysis. So CPI data report is dropped from the 3.4%, 3.4% below, 3.3, 3.2, 3.1, 3 point like that. So inflation report will be dropped to the from the 3.4%. So that will help to the interest rate cutoff forecast increase from September. That is my first analysis, first forecast. So I'm going to the Fed Watch Tool website. So interest rate, what is the forecast interest rate cutoff? So this is the June FOMC meeting. You can see almost 100% forecast to post the rate June FOMC meeting, and I like to go to the July FOMC meeting. That forecast 91% is almost 100% to post the rate again July FOMC meeting. And the September forecast is the interesting, is the September forecast. You can see the 48% and almost 50% forecast to cut off the rate. So inflation report will be dropped from 3.4%. That will help to interest rate cut off 25 bps. September FOMC meeting will be increased, and that will help to dollar sell off and gold push to the upside. That is my first option. So inflation report dropped from the 3.4%. That will help to dollar sell off and gold push to the upside. That my first option for your trading. So second one is the CPI data yearly report increase, not dropped from the 3.4%, increase from 3.4%, 3.5, 3.6. That will help to dollar demand because of the Fed should be pause the interest rate, keep the interest rate 5.5. That's the dollar demand. That will be help dollar demand, and the interest rate forecast, post forecast will be increased, and that will help to gold push to the downside. Gold push to the downside if inflation report not dropped or increased from 3.4%. That will help to dollar demand and gold push to the downside. That's my two options with the inflation reports. How to trade with gold. So FOMC meeting is the key economic event this week. So 5.5 is the Fed's current interest rate, and forecast to post the rate again on 5.5%. So that is the main economic event. FOMC meeting first conference is the main things you should start with the dollar sell off or demand. So that is the inflation report, CPI data report, and how to trade with the gold with the CPI data report. So thank you very much.